Hello everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Cad. I'm Vihenga. In our last video, we learned about the Revit ribbon, how to access all the modeling tools. Today we are moving to another key part of Revit, the project browser. If you are new to Revit, the project browser might look a bit confusing at first, but it's actually your main navigation tool inside any project. The project browser is like your project directory. It organizes all the views, sheets, schedules, families, and groups in one place. By default, you will find it on the right side. By default, you will find it on the left side of the screen. If you can't see, go to View tab and User Interface and tick to Project Browser. Every Revit project can have hundreds of views, floor plans, elevation, 3D views, and so on. The project browser helps you stay organized and easily switch between them. Let's look at how it's organized. You will see categories like View All, floor plans, ceiling plans, elevations, and the 3D views. Let's see how we can use it in practice. If you double click it, Revit opens that view. You can also right click and rename, delete duplicate views. You can take duplicate with detailing, something like that. If you are working on a large project, your project browser can become very long. To keep things tidy, we can use browser organize. Alright, let's summarize what we learned today. The project browser is your main navigation panel in Revit. It organizes all project views, families, and sheets. You can rename, duplicate, or drag views into sheets. Use browser organizers to keep project clean and manageable. In the next video, we explored the properties palette, another powerful panel that control the behavior of the every element in Revit. Thanks for watching Nextgen Cad. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. We are building your Revit skills step by step. See you next time.